Hello friends. In today's video we're going to build on some of the things we learned last time, and we'll learn the yogic breath, which is sometimes called the circle breath, which you'll see for other obvious reasons. So as we practice this technique today, I want you to think about a circle, a flow. And when we do this breathing, that the inhale and the exhale are linked. There's no separation between them. They're one set of lungs breathing in and out. Think that continuity throughout your practice today. So I'd like you to get into your seat or your chair and close down your eyes. Turn your gaze inward. Checking in with your body, making sure your spine is nice and straight. Your head is level. Your muscles in your legs are relaxed. In your face, your neck, shoulders relaxed. Hands placed on the knees or the thighs. And as we start every practice, just take a moment to observe how you are feeling. How is the quality of your mind at this moment? And how is your breath at this moment? Is it slow and even? Or is it shallow and fast? Spend a moment more observing your breath. Now I'd like you to place your right hand on your lower belly and just begin breathing into your hand. Just like we practiced in the first video, expanding your belly into the palm of your hand. Making your hand move and putting all your breath into your abdomen. Slowing it down, making it nice and deep and even. Now I'd like you to take your left hand and place it over your heart. For the moment, just observe that your breathing is only in your abdomen and your chest is not moving. Now I'd like you to add in breath through the chest. So as your belly expands, when it is full, continue breathing and fill up the chest. And release. Inhale through the belly, chest, and release. Belly, chest, release. And create that circular flow in through the belly, in through the chest, and then let it out. Without any pause between the end of the inhale and the beginning of the exhale, and the end of the exhale and the beginning of the inhale. Just keep the breath moving. Belly, chest, release. And now we'll add the third section to your breath, which you may not have been aware of. So inhale to the belly, inhale to the chest, fill it up. And when your chest is full, breathe in through the neck or clavicle. There's a little bit of your lung that's at the top of the chest by your neck. That you can fill up after your chest is full. So practice that full circle now, inhaling through the belly, then the chest, then your neck. Release. For the first time maybe in your life, taking a completely full breath and release. Belly, chest, neck, and release. Continue on with this full 3-part breathing in a continuous circle at your own pace. The speed isn't important. What's important right now is that you focus on the technique and you breathe through each compartment fully, and then exhale slowly and breathe continuously. I'd like you to take 10 more complete yogic breaths. Five more. Good. Drop the technique. Relax. Release everything. Release all effort. And drop back into gentle, natural breath awareness. No longer controlling the breath. And observe again, what is your breath like now compared to the beginning of this class? And what is your mind like now? Do you feel calmer? Do you feel any more space between your thoughts? Do you feel more presence and more awareness? And if not, it's all good. It will come. You're welcome to continue sitting here meditating. But if not, place your hands together in front of your heart. Bow your head gently. Thank you for joining me in today's practice. I hope you enjoyed it. This is really the fundamental technique of a lot of the more powerful, more deeply layer-destroying techniques that we'll get in the advanced portion of the class. Is essentially this technique with some modifications and changing the speed and some other add-ons. So I hope you have a great day and keep practicing, and I'll see you here next time.